Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Let's do a little Amazon sets haul. I have seen the cutest things on Amazon, okay? I feel like I say that every time I stand here. Matching sets specifically, which is the majority of what we're doing today with a couple of like wildcard things thrown in. But YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, I guess when you watch one, the algorithm shows you all of the cute sets. My problem with a lot of those is that the majority of sets that I see anyways don't come in actual plus size. I was able to find us a couple of things. Now, not everything is true plus size sizing, but I will show you what it looks like on me. My measurements are always listed in the description box down below. I will also tell you what size I'm wearing. I will list it down below, all of the above. I say that every time. I am very excited for this. I am clearly in fall transition mode. Is it 100 degrees where I live today? Yes, but I feel like these sets will go good for those transition times. Like I look fall, but I don't feel fall. But also I picked out some like, not really athleisure, but like matching set lounge-ish looking things that can also be worn out. So I'll quit rambling. It's all linked down below. Let's get into it. We're gonna start with this one because this by far is what I've seen the most on social media. This is from the brand PJF. Now it only goes up to a size extra large. I think they list that, I couldn't tell you in this very moment. I'll put the size chart here, but I know it comes in several colors. I initially wanted the brown. They might call it khaki, but it was a brown color, but it didn't come in the extra large. So I opted for this blue and black checkered print, but I'm not mad about it. It's a darker blue than I expected. The style of it kind of reminds me of something I would get from Abercrombie. It doesn't feel like that kind of Abercrombie quality, but I like the style of it. So the top is a bit of a cropped, boxy style. Pants are elastic in the waist with pockets slightly cropped. Now I will say this, I do feel like the pants are a little bit snug. The pockets are puckering out just a little bit. I also feel like the longer I wear this, it might give a little bit. I haven't been wearing it for that long, so I can't truly tell you in this moment. I see specifically these outfits with like a platform sandal type thing like I'm wearing in this video. These are my black Crocs that I wear all the time. I like the high neck of the top. I also like the thicker shoulder here. It does not unzip, unbutton anywhere, so I did just have to pray that it would fit over my head and over my hair, and it does. I also feel like the top and the pants meet at a good spot. I don't have any skin showing. I'm 5'8" for reference, so I feel like the majority of y'all, when we talk about it, are a little bit shorter than me, so this would be even longer. For the people that are taller than me, I think that you would be okay. 5'9½-ish, I feel like you would be okay, and the crop would be even cuter on you. But yeah, set number one, I'm very happy. I was a little disappointed, I will say, when I tried it on and the pants were a little bit snug. But I think I'm gonna keep it. I feel like it's a very fall transition, easy type set. So we will be keeping this. Next set we have is the brand Bella Store in a size 3XL. I actually initially ordered this one in a size extra large, and then my package got lost. So when I reordered, I upped in size just because I wasn't sure, and I am so glad that I did. This brown color, I'm obsessed with. Let me say this about this specific set. It is the nicest quality set that I have in this entire video. It is such a soft but lightweight material. I love the little pops of white on the sleeve, and then you've also got it down here at the bottom. The legs are slightly cropped, but I think that's how they're supposed to be if I'm remembering the listing picture from Amazon. Also, the fact that they put the little slit on the bottom of the pant, I love. There are no pockets, but there is an elastic waist. It is such a comfortable, cute set. I chose plain white sneakers for this set. I felt like the set itself was what you're looking at. The next outfit, I'll put on a little bit different shoe to show you, but this is very cute. It's very comfortable. I feel like this looks cozy. It is cozy. It's very appropriate to wear out. Let me tell you though, I spent the longest time steaming this, and I still don't feel like it is steamed properly, where there are no wrinkles, presses, marks, anything in it. So just keep that in mind. It just fits so well. I need to wear it a little bit longer and make sure that the pant length is not weird. Same with this one as far as steaming. It took me forever, and I still don't think all of the wrinkles are out. I also just put the shirt on, the pants on, and then bent over to tie my shoes and got a wrinkle. Seems like this will be one of those that wrinkles as you wear it. This one I ordered in a size 2X, so it's proper plus size. I think it goes up to 4X, 5X. I don't think the 2X is a true size 2X. From the listing, it's meant to be a little bit more flowy. I feel like this is probably closer to I would say extra large, extra large. It's like a quilted material, feels very nice quality. I like the pockets, I like the drawstring waist, I like the crop pant. I opted for these No Boundaries sneakers from Walmart. I feel like the little stripe on them is a little bit sporty. So the top does have this band here that's a little bit more snug. I guess you could kind of place it and then kind of flounce the top out a little bit. I do like the shoulder sleeve situation. If I were to rate this one 1 out of 10, 10 being the best, 1 being the worst, I would probably give it like a 4. I love the style and the idea of it. The size is off, the fabric's a little bit thick for me. We know I love a matching set. I'm willing to try it for myself and for y'all. This one is just a no. Last set we have, I'm pretty sure is in a size extra large. Though the screenshot that I pulled, extra large, is highlighted. I don't think that's true. I'll double check. Whatever the size is, I will list it in the description box down below next to the link. This is your lounge, like movie night type outfit. I wouldn't wear this one out. Also, it doesn't look like the green color is available any longer. It's a sweater material, but it's very thin, which is nice, but I don't feel like the quality is that great. Also, looking back at all of these links, I feel like the pieces were a little bit pricey. So I'm gonna say the top, great. I like the fit, I like the style, I like the higher neck, I like the green and white stripe. Can you see straight through it? Yes. Now the shorts are like a spandex thin sweater material, if that makes sense. It is elastic in the waist, no pockets or anything. I feel like it's very much like bike short, but again, like thin sweater material. Am I comfortable? Yes. But I don't think that this one is a keep. Let's do a little Free People dupe now. These tops on Amazon come in so many different color patterns. I actually own this one in the red navy with the little creamy blush collar. Also, now that I'm holding this one, it feels much nicer quality, like a little bit thicker and softer. Size 3X goes up to a size 5X. I love this. I'm pairing it with bike shorts and just sandals because the ad that I keep seeing, I don't really know if it's an ad. I guess it is. It says sponsored on TikTok. It's a woman who walks up pushing a stroller and she is wearing this exact combo, maybe different shoes, but this with bike shorts, and she looks so cute. I don't know if it's a real Free People shirt though, to be honest, or I don't know if she got it from Amazon. But why would you pay the Free People price when you can literally get it from Amazon in actual plus size? We know Free People doesn't come in plus sizes. This is also the color pattern, the black and white with the blue little detail. This is the one I see so often, and I feel like when I got the red and navy one, this one wasn't available in my size, so I'm really happy to get this one. This one's a keep. I love it with the bike shorts. You could do sneakers, you could do leggings, you could do cute little denim shorts, front tuck it, side tuck it, all of the tucks. You know, they could have matched the stripes on the sides though. I will say that. I just feel like this is so fun, and the stripes are kind of giving like Halloween. I kind of like the fact that this one's a little bit thinner than the other one, because obviously if I'm wearing it with bike shorts, it's not super chilly outside. So maybe I'll reserve this one for the bike shorts. The other one can be for chillier days. I actually took that other one with me to Ireland, wore it quite a bit. This might be my favorite thing. It's very Terran. Like, is this not the outfit that you think of when you think of Terran? You probably actually think of a graphic tee with bike shorts, but this can easily replace the graphic tee because this is so cute. Listen, hear me out. This dress, absolute wild card, but in fact, it was the first thing I added to my cart and then kind of built everything else, not around the dress, but I thought, while I'm ordering this, I might as well grab some of those sets that I've been seeing. This is in a size extra large. I actually spotted it on an influencer. Her name is Emma Arletta. I'll put some pictures here of her in it. And I thought it was adorable. I thought this could be really cute with cowboy boots, with the little heels I'm wearing now. I feel like her and I have sort of similar stats. So when I saw it on her, I thought, if it looks that great on her, maybe it could look that great on me too. It's a little bit short. I must be a little bit taller than her. There's nothing here. So like, it's not even double lined. So I'm wearing a strapless bra, but you can see the strapless bra here. I do like that it ties around the neck, so it's a halter style. I like this little detail here, the ruffle skirt. I don't know if I love the drop waist style. You can kind of tell here. That's not typically something that I go for, but here we are. And here's what it looks like from the back. I do like the little bit of mesh at the bottom here. So there's two little ruffles and then mesh. I would absolutely have to wear shorts underneath it. However, I don't think that I'm keeping it. I thought that maybe this could be a cute date night type outfit. I'm just not really that comfortable, so I think this one's going back. That is a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Here's what I'm thinking, okay? The striped Free People dupe, keep 1000%. I know that I will wear it because I have a different striped colorway. I showed you that. I also feel like that first set, the gingham like blue and navy blue and black set, I really like that one. I feel like it's trendy, it's cute. I like it with the black croc, like platform Crocs. The other sets, like the brown one, adorable. I just don't know how much wear I'll get out of it. Also, the length of the pants might be slightly weird. I need to go back and watch this and see how I feel about it. Everything else is going back, including this. It was a cute idea. It's just not for me. If you've been eyeing something on Amazon that's actual plus size, drop a link in the comments, please. A lot of times when I go to Amazon and I'll search XYZ women's plus size, it pulls up extra large and extra large. I guess they consider that plus size. But with that being the largest size that a lot of these sets or items come in, it doesn't always work. So I'm interested to see what you like, is what I'm trying to say. Let me know. Thank you again for watching this one. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.